My name is Destiny. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are returning to me, thank you so much. So today's video is going to be another upcycling challenge. I have this extra large thermal long sleeve and I wanted to see how much I can make using only this shirt. I have an idea. I saw this advertisement for bikini set with the micro shorts and a top. So I think I have enough fabric for all of that and more. Point of this video is to show you that if you've ever been curious about sewing, you can do so much with so little, and being able to bring life out of something that somebody threw away. I'm not gonna look for a tutorial or look for any patterns. I'm just gonna try to trace items that I already have. That's a really easy way to go about doing this a more affordable way. And my biggest tip for anybody that really wants to start is you can grab an item from your closet right now and your sewing machine and deconstruct that item. Deconstruct it meaning take every seam out and then be able to put it back together. Let's get into it. Okay, it is the very next day. I'm still working on this project. Like I said, sewing is just super tedious and I want it to look good. I want it to fit right. But last night I smoked weed. This morning I woke up so groggy, so brain fog. So now I'm just so exhausted. And like, this is my second cup of coffee and I still don't feel the effects of it. But I did the shorts. I had to take them in because they were just fitting really loose. So now I can take the sides in, and I'm debating if I should add, what's it called? What are they called? What's it called? What's it called? Oh my God, you guys, this is the brain fog I'm talking about. Elastic. I should probably add elastic to the waistband. I think that would be this one. You guys, I'm struggling. Day 3 of working on this motherfucking project. And the thing is that I have to go and do dog walks, I have to go and cook dinner, I have to go to sleep. Like, I can't just like focus and do this for hours. Okay, here is the final product. I did the entire set with just that extra large t-shirt, and I have all of these scraps. I'm not sure what I'm going to do exactly. I know I said I would make a headband, so I'll probably work on that. I think I did pretty good. You know, I didn't use a pattern, I just used what I had and I was able to figure it out. I will be fixing the bikini bottom. That's gonna be another time because I just spent 5 days on this project, so I'm kind of over it at this point. I decided not to make like a string bikini, and that was my mistake because they don't fit really good around my hips. But I do like the top, even though it's looser than I expected it to be. I think it's perfect for like putting it over a bikini, walking around the beach. The shorts, they fit really nice. They're super cheeky from the back, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this this vlog. I enjoyed making it, and if you guys want to see more videos like this, please comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.